This
Sponsored or what?
Do you even lift, bro?
Yeah, I'm sponsored by this
Sponsored,
guy.
huh?
The automotive, man.
Shout out to T Automotive.
Do you
Hooking
even
up
lift,
them
bro, man? This guy's
4x4
suffering,
guys
man.
over here. What?
Do you even lift?
Hey, send it. So, you know, pretty much waiting for Abood, Drift BRZ, out here.
Out of timing as usual. He just said 5 minutes, I'll be back.
Out
He's
of
not
timing.
even here yet. I think I'm gonna just leave his box right there and just leave.
So if anyone wants some free coilovers, just come over here. You must have a BRZ though, so it fits, you know? You know what's up.
Or a GT86.
Or a GT86. So yeah. Pretty much, you know, out of timing. What? Explain, bro, explain out of timing.
He just said I'm leaving for 5 minutes. I'll be right back. I'm going nearby and I'll be right back. And he just never showed up.
Yeah. I ain't no expert, but 5 minutes ain't 1 hour, bro. Got that rocket bunny over there.
I think everybody wants to see the 34, bro.
Bruh, should we show them or no?
Nah, not yet.
Hey, he said it, not me, guys. If you wanna see,
Stay tuned.
yeah.
Stay tuned.
All you guys will get now is the Rocket Bunny Z. Pretty much drift monster right there. All stripped out, getting ready for paint. Got that roll cage and everything. You already know what's up. The Automotive. You can hit him up on Instagram for all your carbon fiber needs. And some grizzly bear attacks, bro.
One eternity later.
Finally 5 minutes over, huh?
Man, this got so long. 5 minutes later. Hey, guess who's on court?
Hey, what happened to 5 minutes, dude?
You know, out of timings.
No way he said out of timings.
I told you, he knows him.
Man, he knows. Yeah, that's your punishment, dude.
Push the car first, man.
Come on, man. Go for it, bro. Go for it. No engine sounds?
Come on, help.
No. This is your punishment, dude.
Hey, the primer dry?
Oh.
Yeah. No. Then
I told you, man, you're late.
I'm
You
not
guys just left. Oh, this guy's powerful.
Put your knees into it, man.
You need to go a little brief. Come on, help.
I'm helping. What?
Come on, man.
We got 2 people power right there.
Alright, we're good.
Wait, can you something?
No.
Okay, now you got only a little bit more cars left, dude.
Kanjus!
Mercedes keep
That OT gang. Hey.
Oh, cold AC and everything. Impressive.
I think my AC is about to die.
Soon to be bagged or soon to be slammed? Static or bagged though? Only time will tell, I guess. Damn, that thing's clean though. Yo, you wanna get off the phone, dude?
What?
You wanna get off the phone, dude?
I'm off the phone.
Hey, too late, man.
Hey,
Too late, bro.
wrong numbers though.
Oh, whoa.
Hey.
Side chick 1, side chick 2, side chick 3. Bruh. What?
Hey, I told him I ain't doing nothing. I'm just here to watch.
I guess he'll pretend he didn't hear
and
that.
guess what? If he can't finish it all the time, I'm leaving.
Bruh, you heard that.
Bye.
Let's hope it's the right car parts. And
I laughed my ass off if it actually came to a forest.
Hey, congrats, you didn't play yourself.
Man, check it out, check it out. It says made by TN. No shit!
Really?
Hey, man. Finally.
Wait, let me get a pic of that.
Hey, nah.
So what, are these like
I don't know,
already
man.
set from the factory or something?
Say there. Titan that specifies sport.
What, calm down, all of a sudden you know how to read Japanese, dude?
Konnichiwa!
Bruh.
"2,000 years later."
Finally. And got rid of this shitty
Garbage?
thingy.
Not garbage. Shout out to TJ Hunt.
TJ
guys.
Hand. Garbage.
Garbage? Not garbage. Garbage? Nah, just messing with you.
Okay.
But the only thing I'm gonna change
50 minutes later, got the two stock ones out. Time to Litter came in.
Keep it sideways, motherfucker.
Well, we need to censor your shirt, bro.
Oh yeah. It's censored already, bro.
You know what it is. Hook it up, bro.
What
Hook it
up?
up.
It's your boy.
Working overtime. They shut the lights down, man.
It's your boy acting like he knows what he's doing.
Yeah, bro.
Bruh.
I don't know what I'm doing here. Where's the lights? Get the light. Got it.
It is not bad though.
No, tomorrow I'm gonna just.
I mean, like for what? Okay, that this height is. It doesn't really look like that in person. But damn, bro, on the camera it looks bad. But the height is nice, yani.
Cold start.
Cold start? What? Send it. Finally done. Adjustments to be made whenever he's got the time. You can check out any updates on his Instagram. So yeah. Man, what's your Instagram again? Just in case people don't know.
PRZ though. Follow me and follow him too.
At HTM281 on Instagram. So yeah, this is pretty much it. We all dead right now. Working on the car for how many hours, dude?
4
Too
hours?
many, bro. Too many
5?
hours.
I don't know.
Man. Anyways, let's see what happens, man. I'll probably get you some rolling videos on the highway.
Alright.
Yalla, bro.
Keep it sideways.
Keep it sideways, bro. Yalla, I'll catch you on the road, man.
Alright.
See ya.